Hi everyone, welcome back to another Bochiknot macrame knot series. We will be going over the overhand knot and the slip knot today. Although these are simple and basic knots, it is important to know that these knots can be used a lot of times to attach macrame add-ons onto macrame projects or to even start a macrame project with these knots. The first knot we will be going over today is the overhand knot. You should already know how to tie this knot since we do use this knot on a daily basis in our lives to tie packages, to tie shoelaces, and whatnot. All you have to do is form a loop with both cord ends and then pull on the cord ends to tighten the knot. Next we have the slip knot. This is a good way to start a chain or a bracelet. All you have to do is take the left cord over to the right to form a loop and then pull the right end through the loop and then pull on the cords to tighten. I hope you guys enjoyed today's knot tutorial. If you have any questions or any knots you would like to learn, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time.